Welcome everyone, what's up guys, I'm Justin. This is a much anticipated follow-up video to the Smith Wesson Performance Center. Yes, the beautiful box. I didn't make the video. Model 627. After taking a nice trip to the range and firing some heavy 357 loads all the way down to some regular all 38 specials. And let me tell you, this gun performed. She definitely needs to be cleaned a little bit, but her shortcomings prior to her trip to the factory have been made up for. Smith & Wesson has made this gun. It's timing perfect. The trigger is phenomenal. I'll show you the brake. Again, show you it's empty. And then just see that brake, and then up against the wall, and boom. It's so smooth, it's hard to describe. It really is a beautiful gun. I can't recommend it enough. I mean, the Performance Center really puts in the details with the bead basted finish on the gun, and then the chrome trigger and hammer. I mean, just the little details like that with the slab side barrel. I mean, of course, on the 8th shot revolver, I mean, who's the one 8 shots with the moon clips? I mean, guys, look how easy these fall in. Literally, they're in, and I'm ready to rock and roll. Not that I don't have other guns ready to go, but this is also the holster I'm carrying in. If anyone's interested, it is it's a Saints holster. Try to get that up there so you can read it. Hold there for a second. I believe it's model 00143. It's 00143. Definitely helps you. I know it's hard finding a holster for this gun. You have to look for comparable models 44 holsters, and that's how I found that. And you also notice I got the blacked out G10 Griptilian here after my and my matching black cylinder release, just to have that black and silver combo just come together so nicely. I really think it's a beautiful gun. I thank Smith & Wesson for being prompt and swift with their service. I, was expecting them to charge me or give me a hassle, but they really outshine themselves, delivering me a gun that is now probably one of my favorites in the library and a true performance centerpiece. And that's what I expect from Smith & Wesson. I'm proud of their customer service. I stand by their products. I highly recommend them. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this was informative. And if you can afford this gun and you can find one, I highly recommend you buy it. Have a great day. Take care. Please like this video and subscribe. Take care, y'all.